Chapter 4, Agriculture. Learning objectives, learning outcomes, the cropping pattern. The differences in climate conditions in India give rise to season-related cropping pattern. Various types of crops are grown according to the season. The time of the year determines the cropping pattern that need to be followed. The cropping pattern is divided into Kharif season, Rabi season and Zaid. Kharif crops are grown by mid-June in our country. The important crop of this season include rice, maize, jawar, bajra, tur, moong, groundnuts, soybean, cotton and jute. Rice is a major crop cultivated in coastal state of Kerala, Tamil Nadu, Madhya Pradesh, Andhra Pradesh and Orissa. Besides this, rice is also cultivated extensively in Assam, West Bengal and Uttar Pradesh. Let us study Rabi season. Rabi season starts from October to December and ends in April-May. The important crops grown in this season include wheat, barley, pulses and mustard. Rabi crops are grown in abundance in Punjab, Haryana, Uttar Pradesh, Uttarakhand, Jammu Kashmir and Rajasthan. Zaid is a short season during the monsoon month. The crops grown in this season are watermelon, mashed melon, vegetable, fodder, leguminous crops. Look at this table. Cropping pattern. Major crops. India's food crops include rice, wheat, corn, coarse grain and pulses. Rice is India's chief crop. It is also the staple food of people in eastern, western and south part of our country. India is ranked second in the world in production of rice. Rice is mostly grown as a kharif crop in India. 34% of total cultivated area in our country is under rice cultivation. Wheat is the second most important crop in India. It is cultivated in Rabi season. It is during this season that the weather is pleasant with low temperature and bright sunlight. Wheat is cultivated in area receiving a mean annual rainfall of 75 cm having fertile soil. Wheat is grown in two major regions, the Ganga-Satluj plain and Deccan Plateau. Uttar Pradesh is the largest producer of wheat in India, contribute 35% of the total wheat production. Let us study maize crop. It is a crop used as a food and fodder. It requires alluvial soil and black soil. Climatic condition ranging from 21 degree to 27 degree. Maize is produced in Karnataka, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, Madhya Pradesh and Andhra Pradesh. Jawar is grown where the climate is hot and dry. 50% of the total area under jawar is in Maharashtra. Maharashtra contributes 52% of the total jawar production in the country. The other states include Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh and Tamil Nadu. Barley is grown in sandy and shallow black soil. Largest producer of barley is Rajasthan and other states are Uttar Pradesh, Maharashtra and Gujarat. Ragi is a crop grown in a dry area where there is a red, black and sandy loamy soil. Karnataka is the largest producer of ragi, followed by Tamil Nadu, Arunachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand, Sikkim, Jharkhand, and Arunachal Pradesh. Pulses. Pulses need less water and survive even in dry condition. It's a leguminous crop which restored the soil fertility by fixing nitrogen from the air. The most grown pulses are tur, urad, moog, masoor, peas, grams. Major pulses are grown in the state of Madhya Pradesh, Uttar Pradesh, Rajasthan, Karnataka, and Maharashtra. With this, we have completed session 2. Session 1 is available in the description.